Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about enzymes involved in gene cloning. Enzymes involved in gene cloning: nuclease, polymerase, ligase, transferase, DNase, RNase, kinase, phosphatase. Nuclease. A nuclease is an enzyme capable of cleaving the phosphodiester bonds between the nucleotide subunits of nucleic acids. Exonucleases are enzymes that work by cleaving nucleotides one at a time from the end of the polynucleotide chain. A hydrolyzing reaction that breaks phosphodiester bond at either 3' or the 5' end occurs. Nucleases are classified into two types based on function: exonuclease and endonuclease. Exonuclease 1 breaks apart single-stranded DNA in a 3' to 5' direction, releasing ribonucleoside 5' monophosphate one after another. It does not cleave DNA strands with terminal 3' OH groups because they are blocked by phosphoryl or acyl groups. Exonuclease 2 is associated with DNA polymerase 1, which contains a 5' exonuclease that clips off the RNA primer contained immediately upstream from the site of DNA synthesis in a 5' to 3' manner. Endonucleases are enzymes that cleave the phosphodiester bond with a polynucleotide chain, in contrast to exonucleases, which cleave phosphodiester bond at the end of the polynucleotide chain. Restriction exonucleases cleave DNA at specific sites and are divided into three categories: type 1, type 2 and type 3 according to their mechanism of action. These enzymes are often used in genetic engineering to make recombinant DNA for introduction into bacterial, plant or animal cells. Polymerase. A DNA polymerase is an enzyme that catalyzes the polymerization of deoxyribonucleotides into DNA strand. This process copies a piece of DNA. The newly polymerized molecule is a complementary to the template original partner strand. DNA polymerases use magnesium ions as cofactors. There are 5 known prokaryotic DNA polymerases. Polymerase 1, implicated in DNA repair, have 5' to 3' polymerase activity and both 3' to 5' exonuclease activity and 5' to 3' exonuclease activity in RNA primer removal. Polymerase 2, involved in repairing damaged DNA, has 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. Polymerase 3, the main polymerase in bacterial, has 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. Polymerase 4, a Y family DNA polymerase. Polymerase 5, a Y family DNA polymerase, and participates in bypassing DNA damage. There are 15 eukaryotic DNA polymerases. Polymerase A1 and A2 forms a complex with a small catalytic and a large non-catalytic subunits. Polymerase B and polymerase beta, implicated in repairing DNA in base excision repair and gap filling synthesis. Polymerase Z and polymerase G2 and polymerase Y replicates and repair mitochondrial DNA and has proofreading 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. Polymerase D1 and D2 highly processive and has proofreading 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. Though it to be a main polymerase involved in lagging strand synthesis, though there is still debate about this role. Polymerase E, polymerase E2, polymerase E3 also highly processive and has proofreading 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. Highly related to polymerase and though to main polymerase involved in leading strand synthesis, though there is again still debate about this role. Polymerase H, polymerase L1, polymerase K, N, LX are Y family DNA polymerase and polymerase is a B family DNA polymerase. These polymerases are involved in bypass of DNA damage. RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase is an enzyme that produces RNA. In cells, RNAP is needed for constructing RNA chains from DNA genes as templates. A process called transcription RNA polymerase enzyme are essential to life and are found in all organisms and many viruses. In chemical terms, RNAP is a nucleotidal transferase that polymerizes ribonucleotides at the 3' end of RNA. Transcript eukaryotes have several types RNAP characterized by the type of RNA they synthesis. RNA polymerase 1 synthesis a pre-rRNA 45S which matures into 28S, 18S and 5.8S rRNAs which will form the major RNA section of the ribosome. RNA polymerase 2 synthesis precursors of mRNAs and most of sRNAs and microRNAs. This is most studied type and due to high level of control required over transcription, a range of transcription factors are required for its binding to promoters. RNA polymerase 3 synthesis, tRNAs, rRNAs, 5S and other small rRNAs found in the nucleus and cytosol. RT polymerase. In the fields of molecular biology and biochemistry, a reverse transcripts, also known as RNA-dependent DNA polymerase, is a DNA polymerase enzyme that transcripts single-stranded DNA into double-stranded DNA. It also helps in the formation of double-helix DNA once the RNA has been reverse transcribed into single-strand cDNA. PAG polymerase. It is a thermostable DNA polymerase named after the thermophilic bacterium Thermus aquaticus, from which it was originally isolated by Thermus D. Brock in 1965. It is often abbreviated to PAGPol and it is frequently used in polymerase chain reaction methods for greatly amplifying short segments of DNA. Ligase. It is a special type of enzyme that in the cells repairs single-stranded discontinuities in double-stranded DNA molecule. In simple words, strands that have double-strand break. Purified DNA ligase is used in gene cloning to join DNA molecule together. The alternative to a single-strand break is fixed by different type of DNA ligase using the complementary strand as a template, but still requires DNA ligase to create the final phosphodiester bond to fully repair the DNA. In mammals, there are 4 types of ligase. RNA ligase 1 ligates the nascent DNA of the lagging strand after the DNA polymerase 1 has removed RNA primer from the Okazaki fragments. DNA ligase 2 alternatively is spliced from the DNA ligase 3 found in non-dividing cells. DNA ligase 3 complexes with DNA repair protein XRCC1 to aid in sealing DNA during the process of nucleotide excision repair and recombinant fragments. RNA ligase 4 complexes with XRCC4. It catalyzes the final step of non-homologous ending joining DNA double-stranded break repair pathway. It also requires for recombination, the process that generates diversity in immunoglobulin and T-cell receptor loci during immune system development. Transferase. A transferase is an enzyme that catalyzes a functional group from one molecule to another. Terminal deoxynucleotidal transferase (TDT), also known as DNA nucleotidal exotransferase (DNTT), or terminal transferase, is a specialized DNA polymerase expressed in immature pre-beta, pre-B and pre-T lymphocyte cells and acute lymphoblastic cells. TDT adds N nucleotides to the variable diversity and joining exons during antibody gene recombination. In humans, terminal transferase is encountered by the DNTT gene. TDT catalyzes the addition of nucleotide to the 3' terminus of a DNA molecule. DNase. A deoxyribonuclease, also known as deoxyribonuclease 1 and deoxyribonuclease 2. Other types of DNA include micrococcal nuclease. Deoxyribosomal nuclease 1 is an endonuclease coded by the human gene DNase 1. DNase 1 is a nuclease that cleaves DNA preferentially and phosphodiester linkages adjacent to a pyrimidine nucleotide, yielding 5' phosphate terminated polynucleotides with a free hydroxyl group on position 3', on average producing tetranucleotides. Micrococcal nuclease is an endonuclease that preferentially digests single-stranded nucleic acids. The rate of cleavage is 30 times greater than 5' side of A or T than G or C, and result in the production of mononucleotides and oligonucleotides with 3' phosphatase. RNAs. Ribonucleases are enzymes that hydrolyze RNA by cutting the PO ester bonds attached to 5' carbon. Ribonuclease is a type of nuclease that catalyzes the degradation of RNA into smaller components. Ribonuclease can be divided into endoribonuclease and exoribonuclease. Endoribonuclease. RNase A is an RNase that is commonly used in research. It is a sequence specific for single-stranded RNAs. It cleaves 3' end of unpaired C and U residues, leaving a 3' phosphorated product via 2 to 3 cyclic monophosphate. Exoribonuclease. RNase 2 is responsible for the processive 3' to 5' degradation of single-stranded RNA. RNase T is the major contributor for 3' to 5' maturation of many stable RNAs. RNA degrades with RNA with secondary structure without help of auxiliary factors. Kinase. Polynucleotide kinase is an enzyme that catalyzes the transfer of a phosphate from ATP to 5' end of either RNA or DNA. It is a product of the T4 bacteriophage, and commercial preferences are usually product of cloned phage gene expressed in E. coli. And last one is phosphatase. A phosphatase is an enzyme that removes a phosphate group from its substrate by hydrolyzing phosphoric acid monoesters into a phosphate ion and a molecule with a free hydroxyl group. This action is directly opposite to that of phosphorylases and kinases, which attach phosphate groups to the substrate by using energetic molecule like ATP. A common phosphatase in many organisms is alkaline phosphate.